Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the AprilAire brand 413 air filter replacement. We're going to show you what this looks like and of course show you the installation and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Let's get to it. Alright, so when getting this thing ready to change out, alright, so I'm going to show you the old one and how it goes in and out, and most importantly how much this stuff really cleans. So these things are absolutely awesome. I just want to show you, really get in, show you exactly how much dust this thing has gotten. I'll show you the clean one in a minute as we insert it, but like this thing has done just an amazing job. All right, so when putting it back in, just make sure that that is on the bottom or the airflow is going towards that, and you're just gonna line it up as needed on each side. And again, just the beauty of this is the difference. As you can see, just tons of dust coming through, being trapped by this and not entering into my house. So totally worth buying. You know, we will continue to invest in these all day, every day. So worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.